I want to tell you that I made some predictions. BJP will not cross 272. BJP alone is not crossing 272. BJP won't get more than one seat in Punjab. BJP is not getting even one seat in Punjab. Even BJP will be losing seats in Delhi. In Delhi, they are trailing in some of the Aam Aadmi parties.
One Chandni Chowk there.
Yeah, and also Pahalwan seat also.
No. Sahiram Pahalwan is not leading.
Even I told you that Shiromani Akali Dal, A and Shiromani Akali Dal, both may get seats, and they are getting it. What the message in Punjab is that Bharatiya Janata Party alone cannot win even a single seat. It is Aam Aadmi Party and Congress who will be getting all the seats.
So Ashok Mittal, Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament of the Aam Aadmi Party, joins the broadcast. Ashok Mittal ji, thank you very much for joining us. Aam Aadmi Party not really getting too much headwinds in Delhi, but doing better in Punjab. The BJP not able to get any lead in Punjab. How do you see the Aam Aadmi Party's performance in both Punjab and New Delhi?
As far as Punjab is concerned, we are doing well. We are already ahead in 3 seats, and we'll make it up, and I think we'll win around 6 to 7 seats in Punjab, which will be the majority seats out of 13. As far as Delhi is concerned, there is up and down. Sometimes we are up, sometimes they are up. And I hope at least 2 seats we'll be able to win in Delhi out of 4 we contested.
But do you think that the sympathy factor that you were counting on with Arvind Kejriwal going to jail, has that really gone your way, Mr. Mittal?
Yes, definitely it has gone, but more than sympathy factor, we believe in work, not sympathy factor. Whatever we have done in Delhi, whatever we have done in Punjab, we are asking votes for that.
Okay.
Sympathy factor could be one,
Sandeep
but we don't bank upon that.
Sandeep Dixit of the Congress Party with us. Sandeep Dixit, do you agree that Aam Aadmi Party's record in Delhi is spectacular?
I think let me not get into that because moment I start talking about the state government, either my party will get upset with me or Aam Aadmi Party might get upset with me. So I think let's leave that for times after this evening.
But you're never somebody who stays away from speaking the truth. So I
agree with that. I'm just saying the platform today is of our alliance on the national front.
Okay.
So I think, as I said, you call me any other time, and I've also had a bad time in my own party because I sometimes talk too much, but I think today is a time to be a little more political, let me put it this way. Kabhi politician hona chahiye.
Well said, Sandeep Dixit. Just for your plain speak, I think you should get votes for that from the studio.
Acha, Navika ji, just one point I wanted to say.
संदीप जी, मैं राजगोपालन बोल रहा हूँ. अभी अरविंद केजरीवाल रिलीज हो जाएगा. अरविंद केजरीवाल रिलीज हो जाएगा. अरविंद केजरीवाल रिलीज हो जाएगा क्या?
So that I will not know. I am not a politician, a policeman, or a lawyer or a judge. So I don't know. I have no idea about that. Let me just only one point I wanted to speak about this: the issue of the sympathy factor that you have spoken about. I think it was important. I had also felt it on the field. Okay, but sometimes what happens is it is how on a strategy level and the campaign level you try and play out an important factor. And I'm not putting a finger either on the Aam Aadmi Party or on the Congress campaign. But I think in our campaign, we should have subtly brought in the fact that this was an unfair arrest, that it was done to harm the people of Delhi. I think front-facing it, putting it out in a very naked manner and right on your face, I think that is something that did not bring us, the alliance, as much votes coming through that sympathy or support as a more subtle, more underlying, more insidious campaign could have done for us.
अशोक मित्तल जी, आपको लगता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जिस तरह से गए कि अगर आप लोग हमें वोट देंगे तो मैं जेल जाने से बच जाऊंगा, वो अप्रोच शायद सही नहीं थी? जिस तरह संदीप दीक्षित जी कह रहे हैं कि थोड़ा सटल होना चाहिए कि गलत है, पर इस तरह की अपील शायद लोगों ने इतनी पसंद नहीं की.
नहीं, देखिए, ये सभी जानते हैं कि उनको गलत तरीके से और गलत इल्जाम लगा के गिरफ्तार किया गया है. वी ऑल नो अबाउट दैट वेरी वेल. एंड